Hello, and welcome to Diesel Hub. The following is an animation provided from Ngrain through Virtual Task Trainer, VTT, to demonstrate the 16 VPC 2.5V main propulsion diesel engine remove and inspect cylinder head Part 1.
Note: this is a NAVC modified animation that illustrates key components of the inspect cylinder heads and inlet valve assemblies procedure. Refer to the appropriate maintenance requirement card, MRC, for detailed step-by-step instructions. Warning: do not discharge treated cooling water into inland waters and harbors. Disconnect injection pump, remove high-pressure fuel line, and remove injector nozzle in accordance with steps in MRC R20, E3BJ. Engage barring device and position engine to top dead center, TDC, compression stroke, for cylinder being worked on. Note: ensure rocker arm is stamped with cylinder head identification number. Remove rocker arm assembly, hold down nuts and locking nuts. Install spacer tool and eye bolt on rocker arm assembly. Caution: any indentations or nicks in rocker arms will create stress points which will result in eventual failure of rocker arm. Caution: when removing or handling rocker arm assembly, ensure rocker arm spacer is properly installed to restrict movement of exhaust rocker arm. Caution: when handling rocker arm assembly, do not damage machined base surface. Attach lifting device to eye bolt, lift rocker arm assembly, and place on wood. Lift out both push rods. Remove cylinder head water outlet pipe bolts. Remove exhaust thermocouple and shield. Remove pilot air and starting air lines, right bank only. Remove exhaust flange cap screws. Remove cylinder head water inlet pipe between head and cylinder liner. Remove vent tube running from cylinder head to jacket water header. Remove lube oil supply and return lines for valve rocker assembly. Remove indicator cock extension tube. Loosen band around adjacent air intake manifold T. Spread and slide band away from joint. Remove injector cooling line hoses outside valve housing. Remove injector cooling line connections inside valve housing. Note: cylinder head is removed with intake manifold T attached. Remove 3 attaching nuts and rods and remove valve housing. Remove pushrod shields and cover opening to camshaft compartment. Use air-driven torque multiplier and loosen each head nut 2 flats, 120 degrees, using sequence in Figure 1. After 2 complete sequences, nuts can be removed in any order. Reinstall 1 head nut and tighten until head tilts. When seal is broken, remove nut. Install stud protectors. Install lifting device onto injector studs. Shackle should be located over exhaust valves. Warning: use both monorails when removing heavy components to prevent swinging of component. Stand clear of area when removing heavy components. Lift cylinder head using monorail system on both sides of engine. Slowly raise head by working both chain hoists, taking care not to bind head against cylinder studs. Remove intake manifold T from cylinder head. Place cylinder head in maintenance stand. Remove both exhaust valves from head. Remove safety valve from head. Remove air start check valve or air start plug from head. Note: valve split collars come as a matched set and must be kept as a set. Install valve spring fitting and dismantling tool. Compress valve spring and remove split collar. Remove valve spring fitting and dismantling tool. Remove valve springs and spring collar. Repeat the process for the other intake valve. Turn cylinder head on its side. Remove intake valves. Tag and identify head and valve assemblies with cylinder number. Turn cylinder head back to level. If not already removed, remove cap nuts from valve alignment rods. Break seal between valve housing and cylinder head. Remove valve housing by pulling the housing up and out of the head until the housing clears the valve alignment rods. Warning: avoid inhalation of, ingestion of, skin contact with, and eye contact with hazardous materials. Avoid use near heat or open flame and provide adequate ventilation. Consult work center supervisor if unsure whether ventilation is adequate and if respiratory protection is necessary. Put on goggles and gloves. Clean valve spring split collars, springs, valves, and housing with a soft bristle brush dampened in cleaning solvent. Allow to air dry. Remove gloves and goggles. Clean cylinder head with wire brush. Warning: face shield and hearing protective devices must be worn and immediate area cleared of personnel not wearing personal protective equipment, PPE, when using or venting low, medium, or high pressure air. Clean safety valve, air start check valve plug, and cylinder head mating surfaces. Clear all passages using low pressure air reduced to 30 psig. Inspect valve stems, valves, and valve housings for uneven wear, seat condition, heavy pitting, warpage, and bent valve stems. Remove inspection covers and inspect cooling water passages for corrosion. Inspect cylinder head for cracks and erosion. If cracks are found, replace cylinder head. Reinstall inspection covers. Close cylinder head water inlet and outlets with cylinder head hydraulic pressure test tool. Hydrostatically test cylinder head for 20 minutes at 100 to 110 psig and inspect for leaks. Remove cylinder head hydraulic pressure test tool. Reinstall cylinder head water inlet and outlets. Inspect valve springs for cracks, corrosion, and deformation. Replace as necessary. This is the end of Part 1 of the Inspect Cylinder Head and Inlet Valve Assemblies animation. Click the Observe Part 2 tab to view the rest of the procedure.